Hello, everybody. It's Mrs. Stikowski. I'm here again. Today, we're going to talk about our names and how cool our names are. And we're going to fill up a book bag with stuff about our names and ourselves. So, are you ready? Just over. Here's our book bag. There's my book bag. You see my book bag? Nice and big book bag there. This is my cool, awesome book bag. Super sweet, awesome sauce. And it says what's inside. So we're going to figure out what is going to go inside of this book bag that has to do all about me. So the first thing we do is on this line, we're going to write our name. So my name is Elizabeth. So I'm going to write my name. I'm going to do it like this. This is hard to do it this way. Elizabeth. There's my name, Elizabeth. Elizabeth. That's my name. The next question is, my name has blank letters. So let's count the letters in my name to see how many letters I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 letters in my name. It was a really long name to write in school, but I wrote it all the time. So let's make a 9. You ready? We're going to go a loop-de-loop and straight down. Okay? Loop-de-loop and straight down. There's our number 9. The first letter is, what's the first letter in my name? Did you say E? The first letter in my name is the letter E. That's the letter E. The last letter of my name is what? What's the last letter? That's an H. The last letter of my name is an H. So first is always the first one. So this is the first letter. The last letter is the one that comes at the end. So first is at the beginning. Last is at the end. Now, what do we put in book bags? What goes in book bags? Does anybody know what goes in book bags? Well, I have a book bag, and I know every morning that goes in my book bag that I put in there is let me see if you can guess what this is. No. Can you guess what that is? Do you know what that is? This is my water bottle. A water bottle goes in my book bag every day. I put a water bottle in my book bag. And then let's see what else goes in my book bag. This is something else that goes in my book bag. I'll draw it right here. Do you know what that is? My purple color. Do you know what that is now? This is my mask. My mask goes in my book bag every day. This is my mask today. But my mask goes in my book bag every day. So every day I have a water bottle in there and I have a mask in there. So this is just what goes in my book bag. These are things that basically have, this is what I put inside of a book bag. So now it's going to be your turn, my friends. And what you're going to do is you're going to go on to Seesaw, which you already are in Seesaw. But now you're going to click on the add button and you're going to fill out your own book bag so that all your friends can see, what do you put in your book bag? What's in your book bag? Anything special? Anything fun? Interesting, huh? I can't wait to see what's in your book bags, my friends, and I can't wait to see how well you write your names too, and some of your numbers, and some of your letters. I can't wait to see. Have fun, my friends!